What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to show you all how to harvest the perfect fig by knowing exactly when it's ripe. Harvesting figs is more of an art than a science. You have to do it by look, by touch, and by feel. Most gardeners harvest figs way too early, and that's because a perfectly ripened fig often looks like it's actually overripe to the untrained eye and to the untrained hand. Perfectly ripe depends on the variety of fig, because some varieties have different ripening habits than others. You also have to know what the proper color of your fig is. There are purple figs, black figs, green figs, brown figs. It comes with a little bit of experience to know exactly what color your fig should be before you harvest that fig. To the eye, it looks like this fig may be ready for harvest. It's a nice dark color, purple, and it is also developing some cracking at the base. However, there are a few telltale signs that this fig is not ripe yet. The first thing you'll notice is it is just starting to droop. And if you give this fig a squeeze, you'll feel it actually has the texture, the feel of a tomato, and that is far too firm. You want that fig to completely droop, which is probably going to take another day or two, and you also want to have the fig feel like a bag of jelly or jam. This Olympian fig, on the other hand, is showing all of the telltale signs of being perfectly ripe. This fig right here on the right has a nice deep brown color, which is exactly the color it should be when it's ripe. And you can see that compared to this fig right here, which is just beginning to show the swell and coloration process. The other thing that you'll notice about this fig is it is completely drooped over. It is very weak and it will be easily snapped off if I hit it too hard with my fingers. And the third and most telling sign is it's beginning to drip honey from the eye, and that fig honey that's dripping from the eye right there is a clear sign that the sugars are starting to become well developed inside the fig. Not every single variety of fig will drip honey from the eye, and it won't happen if you're having wet weather, but when you have dry spells, most of the better varieties of figs will drip this fig honey. And the final telltale sign is how soft it is. This feels exactly like a little pouch full of jelly or jam, so we know this fig is ready for picking. And the end result is a perfectly ripened fig. And by following those simple tips, you will wind up with a fig that is perfectly ripened. It's so good. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.